Paul awoke one sunny morning with a big smile on his face, excited for the day's adventures. He knew that to make the most out of his day, he needed to fuel his body with healthy foods. As he entered the kitchen, the welcoming scent of freshly cut fruits filled the air. His mom was busy preparing a delicious bowl of mixed fruits consisting of strawberries, blueberries, bananas, and a sprinkle of crunchy granola. Paul eagerly joined his mother, selecting a perfectly ripe apple from the fruit basket and adding it to his breakfast. "This will give you plenty of energy for your soccer game later, Paul," his mom said with a wink. After breakfast, Paul felt invigorated as he headed to school. Throughout the day, he was sharp and attentive in his classes, outshining in math and science with a focused mind. His energy didn't wane as he zipped through recess, running faster and kicking the soccer ball with more zest than ever. Lunch was another adventure for Paul to explore tasty and nutritious choices. He opened his lunchbox to find a rainbow of colors: baby carrots, cherry tomatoes, a whole-grain turkey sandwich packed with crisp lettuce and sliced cucumber, and a juicy orange. His friends gazed enviously at his lunch as he took a bite of his sandwich, crunching into the fresh veggies with relish. "Your lunch looks so good, Paul," his buddy Michael exclaimed. In the afternoon, Paul's teacher assigned a project on healthy living. Paul and his classmates collaborated to bring creative ideas to life, with Paul naturally leading the team, brimming with enthusiasm and ideas. Together, they crafted a poster showcasing the benefits of healthy eating, which Paul proudly presented to the class. As the school day ended, Paul dashed to his soccer practice full of energy, darting past his teammates with ease and confidence. After practice, the day continued at a friend's house, where they decided to make a fun, healthy snack. They chopped an array of colorful vegetables, bell peppers, carrots, and celery, then drizzled them with a lemon dressing. Everyone joined in to prepare the meal, laughing and tasting as they went. For dinner, Paul decided to help his mom create his favorite dish: grilled chicken with a side of quinoa and steamed broccoli. As they cooked, he learned about the importance of proteins and whole grains in building muscle and maintaining strength. Incorporating these foods into his daily routine made Paul feel unstoppable. Before going to bed, he blended a delicious smoothie packed with spinach, mango, and a dash of almond milk, savoring the refreshing taste of nutrients and the end of a perfect day. Paul's journey and passion for healthy eating inspired his friends, showing them that nutritious choices can be both fun and rewarding. His newfound energy and zest for life became a shining example, making healthy eating appealing to all young viewers. The bright and colorful visuals of every meal and snack in Paul's story encouraged children everywhere to embrace a vibrant variety of wholesome foods.